Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, lifers. After a 2.5 hour wait, we finna go in here and find a spot where we're gonna set some traps. What we gonna call this spot? Cornbread chasing tail?
Yeah.
We finna get out here and look at it and go set some traps. Right here we got a trap, and then we're going about 20 yards up, we got another one. There's a 4-way intersection right here. Good, thick, pretty spot. And you can ask Cornbread and Cornbread. I don't trap anything I gotta walk to. I just don't. If I gotta walk to it, I'm not gonna trap it. I know y'all look at me and say, well, it wouldn't hurt you to walk a mile or two, but it wouldn't. You'd be right saying that. Oh, we got another pan cover, or you gonna have to start cutting them? Alright, lifers, we finna do a little set right here. This one right here is a grand poobah catching bobcats.
Grand poobah.
You recording?
Yeah. How you make dragging your foot or open that up?
Crap right here.
I know y'all can't say shit for the shadows. Try and get away from them, but this right here is a trash pile runway set. It's a bobcat killing son of a bitch. And that's the nicest way I can put it. But I've caught big bobcat, a bunch of them in it. It's got some duck feathers up under some pile of debris. A couple different scents in there and some urine on it. And it works. Alright, we're not gonna come back till we start running the line in the morning. We'll try to show y'all some catches. It'll try to be one video. But if it's not, y'all know, Thursday I'll try to have it up whether there's catches on it or not. Hope y'all enjoy the trapping series. Me and Cornbread finna try to get after it.
1 pound.
This edition of Trapping with Dumbasses is brought to you by Diet Mountain Dew
And Big John.
and Stoker stuff. We're gonna keep it funny if we ain't catching, we're gonna keep it funny anyway, people. Ask Cornbread what I forgot today.
The drags.
What else did I forget today?
The camera.
The camera. We went back and got the camera. Didn't catch Doodle. We didn't need the camera. Both of us forgot the drag. Because we was both right within 10 foot of them.
What ain't that? I just can't get it underneath there.
Ain't got no hair around it. You can't get it stuck in.
Oh, see?
Oh, wow. Well, set that trap off when they fix that trap. Set the trap off when they fix it. I tell you, it's Christmas. Go buy me some fucking gifts. God.
What you gotta pick? Oh.
Go fix the trap, Cornbread. Go get me a goddamn crescent wrench.
It was right here.
No, there's a big crescent wrench in the seat of the truck, I think. Or did you put it in the...
In there.
It's not in there. It might be in there. Oh, see this right here? It has to be in this little groove or you're going to lose your back springs. It's not in there. I see it. I see it. I'm going to give y'all a quick tip.
Don't eat yellow snow.
Don't eat yellow snow. That's a good quick tip. Quick tip, running these style traps right here. And take it over. Crescent wrench. Works better with a piece of pipe, but I ain't got a piece of pipe. Bend them spring pins down some where they can't slide. And it helps you set the trap too. Helps you bed the trap.
Okay.
Quick tips from Uncle John. Always bend your spring pins. We got 6 traps set off that ain't got them bent, I guarantee you. Alright, y'all tell me if y'all want to play by play or y'all just want to say catches. Y'all want to learn something? I got a phone number. I love a couple of these YouTube trappers, I do. You can learn a little bit from Trapper Jay. You can learn a little bit from David Coffey, and there's a couple others. Cone Creek Outdoors, he'll teach you how to skin shit for sure. But if you want to learn how to be a down and dirty coyote trapping monster, there's a man lives in southeast Texas. I give you his phone number. He kills as many coyotes as anybody in this country. And he don't snare very much.
Quit yapping and give me that trap.
Listen to him talk to me like that. I'm trying to be a movie star. He trying to be a trapper. Alright, lifers. Check day 2. We caught a rabbit.
A rabbit.
A rabbit.
A rabbit.
We were also getting a flood. We clicked all the traps off until Friday and we will come reset. They would all work. 90% of them would still be working, but we ain't gonna be able to drive in and out of here as much rain as we can get. Y'all know how I feel about walking. It's not gonna fucking happen. Y'all got this far in this little cringy video. Like, share, subscribe. subscribe. Tell Cornbread he needs some social media.
Alright.
And we gone.